Linnea here from 123 Minimize. Today I just want to share some ideas of ways that you can get rid of things that you no longer need as you're going through and decluttering your home. A good place to start is seeing if there are any organizations in your area that you can donate to, such as the Goodwill, Salvation Army. Sometimes you can just Google thrift stores in my area. Also, a Facebook group called Buy Nothing. There's also an app called Nextdoor that is for communities, and it's possible that you could post on there that you're giving something away. In the past too, I've also just put things on the curb with a free sign on them, and even posted on Craigslist that I am giving away free stuff. And some items are just gone within an hour. It's amazing. You could also consider reselling some things that are in good condition. This you could do on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. So I hope that helps give you some new ideas of different ways to get rid of things that you no longer need, but still be a blessing to someone else who's looking for that exact item.